Good evening, Professor Lucas. For this journey entry, we'll be discussing the HESPA Competency 6.1. Let's see, go ahead to the next slide. And what we'll be discussing are the points of what a resource person actually does, which is to obtain and disseminate health-related information. That's to assess the needs for the health-related information, identify valid resources, evaluate resource materials for accuracy, relevance, and timeliness, and adapt information for consumer, convey health-related information to consumer. And of course, these are important roles. The National Commission for Health Credentialing, Incorporated, has put together 7 responsibilities for health educators, and 6.1 through 6.1.5 is important as a resource person. When a health promotion project is planned, the leader or project manager works with a team, and that's one of the first things I wanted to discuss is a team. They work as a team to accomplish a desired goal. The team leader ensures that each person is acknowledged and feels that they are essential to the success of the project, and each part of the team is dependent on each other to put the pieces together to be complete. Now, I did include here a special quote about teamwork by Andrew Carnegie Hall. Essentially, it's the ability to work together with a common vision and, essentially work together for the common goal. Not working as a team could potentially bring failure to the project. Completing one another is more important than competing with one another, as by John C. Maxwell. For this discussion, Area 6 is to serve as a resource person to promote health education. The support person is an essential part of the team, and as a team, decisions of material production is decided, and materials such as flyers, pamphlets, postcards, brochures, etc. are used. The resource person assists the team by arranging materials that would communicate and appeal to the audience intended. If there are research materials provided to them, they will make use of them to assure the health literacy for all. So, as you see here, our little picture says supports help, advice, guidance, and assistance. And of course, they can create visuals and also handouts, content that will be used for different scenarios. Currently, my role at my job is as customer service for a nutraceutical company. Additionally, I am a conference coordinator, and I book and plan book events, exhibits, and conferences that our CEO goes to, and I plan materials for lectures and presentations. Printed materials are used to present to practitioners and the community for outreach. The choice of materials used is dependent on the intended audience, and the CEO and consultants use scientific data and quantitative information to share with practitioners at conferences geared towards health professionals. At community outreach events, health fairs, and expos, which I usually do, we would use more qualitative information and testimonials that would appeal to the consumers or end users. I had the opportunity to review the health organizations geared towards promoting public health, and I took a look at the American Public Health Association and the Southern California Public Association, as well as the California Pan Ethic Network, and I chose to join the California Pan Ethic Network. Why? Because I believe that it is because of the neighborhood that I live in. as well as my heritage, that I can reach out to groups that can be proactive about their health, and that is critical. I know I'm a little over time, but I will present this and send this to you now.